Today, December 11, 2022 is International Mountain Day. Let's draw a colorful landscape. We will paint different colors on the mountain. It's just some basic quick work. Give here a yellow sun. Let's light up the left side of the mountain. Then the dark color on the right. This creates a certain depth when it is blending with the original color. A little softer for the background. Then add a shadow on the edge of the water and highlight in the middle. Some shadow for the earth. We're going to walk in some trees up in the mountain. It doesn't have to be perfect. Sunflowers. Now it's time to add more colors. Finally, some little birds. It's done.